What's up there, YouTube? Matt1997 here, and I wanted to give you a tour of my senior year dorm. Yes, I am in my senior year of college, and I am all moved in. I pretty much have everything organized here in my room. There's probably a couple things that I still need to do yet, but we're pretty much finished. So, I'm in a single room, meaning I don't have a roommate, but I still have two sets of beds, of course. Yeah, I got a lot of space, and I'll be living here until next May. But got two closets here. Clothes are in there, storage bins there. All this stuff here on the shelf. My camera equipment's in here. Got a mirror. Hello. Yep. So I get that. I get two closets. Same story here. It's a little different there. The mirror's there, and you got a nice light in here. Storage up there if necessary. More clothes there. My guitar. One of my guitars is here, and then there's my hamper and bin. I'll shut these. Vacuum cleaner and umbrella right there. This here's my little mini fridge. Forget the capacity on it. It's I think it's around 4 cubic feet, if I remember right. There's a tag in here somewhere. Currently there's just drinks in here. The freezer, I don't think there's anything in there right now other than the ice tray. Nice little microwave. It's pretty low power. It's at the maximum limit for here. It's like 700 watts, I think. No, probably not even that. I don't remember what the wattage is. Smoke detector there. This here is, I guess what you can call as a guest bed. I'm kind of using it as a couch / guest bed. I'm going to put some body pillows back there. It's my comfy chair I like to sit in. Over here, this is my only weather radio that I brought with me. It's the WR300 version 1. I probably don't have any videos of it from last year, like when I was at Western, or here. Probably don't have any videos of it, but it is here. It's on low power, so it doesn't disturb the piece. There's that. It's my storm globe, lightning detector, and something I've had since I was a kid. My tornado clock was right here, and it fell down and it broke, so I have to get a new one. This is all my electronic stuff: TV, DVD player. Down there's Super Nintendo system, switch, HDMI switch, and AV switch right there. Printer's down there, and there's a UPS power system. It powers everything over here. So if the power ever goes out, it'll keep running. Nice little lamp. It has a smart bulb in there that I need to hook up to the network if I can. This is my desk. I'm actually probably going to put a little bit more on here, but right now there's not a whole lot. I'm currently monitoring Hurricane Lane and there. Got some storage under here. That's my pizza pizzazz that I haven't put up yet. That's a keepsake box. It is a Russian ammunition box, and then that's controllers and games for my Nintendo. That's my bed. I got some more furniture under here. This is a second desk, so if I had a roommate, we'd be sharing this. But got some books and other things under there. There's a few things here that I haven't messed with. I need to hang up that poster. I got a lot of room in here. It's really nice. This is where I'll be living till May.